How to deactivate Threads account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Threads account easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. To deactivate your Threads account, open the Threads app. Once the app is opened, this is your home screen of Threads account, and after that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon 3 lines at the top right corner to open the settings. From the list of options, select Account. Scroll down until you find the Deactivate Profile option and tap on it. A confirmation message will appear, explaining that deactivating your Threads account will temporarily hide your profile and posts until you log back in. To proceed, tap on Deactivate Threads Profile and confirm your action. Once done, your account will be hidden from others, but remember, this is temporary. You can reactivate your account anytime by simply logging back in. And that's how you can deactivate your Threads account. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.